Hello everyone, welcome to Full Line Friday week 2. Thank you so much for watching. This week we're going to go from the bottom of this hill here all the way up to the top, and we're going to go around that tree. Here's the different view of going around the tree. Once we get around this tree, we're going to go up to this little kind of steep, deserty, rocky bit right here, and then just around the corner and to the top. So enjoy the video. Definitely a tough one to make. Tough to walk up this thing backwards with the camera gear on. So enjoy the video. Thanks again for watching.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mine.